What it do, y'all? Look at this gorgeous ass day down here in sunny South Florida. About to get on my girl Nebula. She dirty as hell. I should go ahead and give her a little bath, but I'm ready to ride. I'm ready to ride right now. But first, let's go ahead and give her a little cold start. Give her a little cold start. Alright. Let's go, girl. Getting you all warmed up. Yeah, I gotta go wash this bike. I think I'm gonna do that when I get back. Should do it now though. Won't take no. About to ride. Alright, let her warm up and then we gonna get on it. What's shaking, y'all? What's popping? I think I just messed up my mic for a second, but I think I'm back up and running. Anyways, what's going on, y'all? Thank y'all for checking me on out. Just a quick little vlog through the neighborhood. A little early afternoon. I had to get on out here before I go be a slave. This car didn't want to stop. So you got to pay attention to these cages, y'all. I ain't even have a stop sign. I could have kept on going, but you got to watch these mothers. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all for checking me on out, man. Thank y'all for clicking that button. It's a gorgeous ass day down here in sunny South Florida today. Except it's hot as hell. Not as muggy, but it's hot, y'all. You know that Vegas heat, you know, where it's like you just in the oven. It ain't muggy, like you ain't gonna sweat, you just gonna burn. Something like that. But I had to get up on my girl Nebula, man. Everybody got the slingshots out today. Slingshotting it today. I kind of like the slingshots. They've been growing on me, but I always talk about the damn I like the T-Rexes, man. If y'all remember the T-Rex, I haven't seen one though. I haven't seen one. It's really in a minute. But the T-Rex was that sportier look. You know, it was smaller than how the slingshots look, but it was dope. I mean, I'm saying was like they don't make them no more, but I don't even know if they still make them. I just know they was dope, and I like the last time I had seen one. Well, not the last time, but the first time I ever seen one was like in '02. But they look better than me. They got that sportier look. The slingshots, like compared to a motorcycle, would be like a Harley, one of them big Harley Cruisers or something, and the T-Rex would be like a sports bike. What's up? What's anybody doing? Yeah, it ain't like you got a stop sign. I got the stop sign. Yeah, y'all, I had to get on out here, man, on this gorgeous ass day. I was thinking of maybe doing some commuting, like maybe taking my bike to work, but the only problem is, man, I be getting off at night, like 10 at night. Oh, what the hell? It ain't even school. It's the summer. What is this? What the hell is going on here? Some bull. What do you got? Summer school, young man? Young man, you got summer school? You been bad? Aye. So that mean I got to follow this bus all the way around to the... I guess it gives me time to chop it up. Forgot what I was even talking about. Damn bus. Oh yeah, but yeah, I was thinking of you know, commuting, man, but I be getting off at like 10 o'clock. I be getting off at 10 o'clock at night, and you know, man, I ain't trying to have my I ain't just trying to have my bike just sitting in the parking lot, you know, unprotected. Yeah, I got locks and stuff, but you know, when you inside work, man, I don't know. Come on, bus. That, and also, you know, I don't want to, man, we be getting those afternoon rains. So we be getting those afternoon rains, because that's what we getting. That's what we get in the summertime. So I don't want my girl out there in those elements all alone out there. Ain't that right, girl? I don't want her out there in these elements alone. Ain't that right, Nabby? That's what I'm gonna call her, Nabby. That's Nebula. That's short for Nebula. We gonna call her Nabby. I'm tripping. She's sounding good, I tell you that. She's sounding damn good. That M4, man. Yo, what's your favorite exhaust? Now, I must say, I do like the shorter exhaust, you know, but to me, I don't, you know, they seem like the full systems, when you got the longer full systems, you know, and you got the you know, longer box, they not, to me, on some of them, they not as deep. It's like the shorter ones got that deeper sound. Even though, like my first bike, my CBR 250R had a deep sound to it. Oh, my bad. Had a deeper, you know, a little bit of a deeper sound. I don't know, but for some reason, boy, this M4, I love it. And I like M4 exhausts, man. I like my R3, I had got one. It had a shorty. That was a full exhaust that I did myself. Yes, I'm proud of that. Yeah, that was a shorty, and that it had that deep sound too. To be an R3, it sound damn good. Shoot, the one thing about this right here, this bike, the 07 Gsxr, the stock pipe actually was a shorty. You know, it kind of like, it's right underneath your the back brake, you know, right underneath the back brake, right? You know what I'm saying? It was dope. I actually still have it. I still got it. Makes me think, like, but I don't know, I'm not putting it back on. You know, the way my bike is tuned for this exhaust system I got on there with the Schnitz Racing. But yeah, like, you know, it's tuned for this for this bike. Look at this day, y'all. But I gotta go be a slave in a few. Yo, I really ain't have nothing to chop it up with you guys about. I was just, you know, I wanted to bring you guys along for the ride. I was just checking in. Just checking in, y'all. Seeing what was going on, man. Nothing to say, but I do appreciate y'all, man, checking up on me like I'm trying to check up on y'all. I appreciate my subscribers and all too, man. Well, let's keep it popping, man. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all see that I keep getting that dealer what is it, the dealer code, and it be like C00. Even though I checked up on it, it don't really mean nothing, or it means that there's no issues. But look at these folks right here messing up. Anyways, getting a little petrol for my girl real quick, and then what I'm gonna do is check out right now. But anyways, man, y'all keep on checking up on your boy, man. I appreciate you. And like, comment, subscribe, y'all, and I'ma holler. Y'all be easy. Hit me up on Instagram also, yo. Ricky Clark 1. But yeah, y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see it, but can y'all see the dealer like C00? I don't know. But oh well. I'ma holler. Y'all be easy. Peace.